Hi friends! I would love to test with you and review with you one of the Google extensions which I recently found and I started to use, Safe Deal. So basically online fraud, it is growing trend and more than $100 billion annually people and private companies are losing making purchases online. Unfortunately, right now there are so many online phishing activities or commercial frauds or online scams and dangerous deals we can find online that I want to feel protected. I want to see which deals are good, which are not good. And here it's the extension which I downloaded for free. And it works with such websites as Amazon, eBay, or even AliExpress. Basically, I'm doing more than 70% of my purchases online during last year especially, and I want to feel protected. I want to be happy when I receive my delivered product, and I want to be sure about refund policies and everything, and just to save my time shopping online and to feel safe. So let's see how this app works. I will show you, I will test it on Amazon, eBay and AliExpress websites. Let's go. So the name of the website, joinsafedeal.com. I just go to this website and I add it to Chrome. So add extension. So buying on AliExpress, eBay and Amazon, it should work well. So I'm going through some safe deal procedure of registering. So good deals will be marked as green, bad deals will be marked as red, okay. And yellow will be doubtful deal. Next. So this extension promises us to reduce time wasted in online stores by analyzing product lists. Great, your privacy is paramount. The software works locally since we care about your privacy. No information about our user activity is stored. This is great. We value your feedback. Okay, let's get in touch. Start using Safe Deal. So, and we go right to AliExpress website. So let's try to make a purchase. Let's search something like, for example, shoulder massager, and see how this app works. So right now I see the green extension which shows me right near each product is it good deal or red deal. So let's check what means green one. The majority of the store's customers are satisfied, 98% well-established seller in business for years. Many customers highly recommended this product. Okay, let's see what means red deal. So customers do not recommend this product enough. Beginner seller in business 1 year and many customers are dissatisfied with this product. Okay. Let's scroll down and see how this extension works with other products. So basically we see it marks red or green, different products, and clarify why. So here's a yellow deal. Let's see why it is yellow. So majority of the store's customers are satisfied, customers do not recommend this product, and beginner seller. So another one. So basically let's check. The majority of the store's customers are satisfied, well-established seller, but customers do not recommend this product. So this is how it works on AliExpress. Basically, you can read the description near each product. Let's go to Amazon and see how it works there. For example, let's search for headphones and see how that will work. So on the right corner, I see the green extension which is working, and near each product I see the green or yellow mark. Let's see what does it mean here. Yellow means feedback looks great, 11,000 authentic likes, customers do not recommend this product enough. Here it's almost the same thing. Okay, so we see the criteria on Amazon is feedback and customers review. Okay, let's see green one. The majority of the store's customers are satisfied 100%. Amazon sells and ships the product. Many customers highly recommended this product and feedback looks great. Okay, so here are the same criteria and green. Okay, great. This is how it works on Amazon. Let's check eBay. It saves my time online, definitely. So let's do eBay. Let's try to shop eBay and see how it works there. Let's search for headphones as well. For example, we are looking for headphones. Okay, so right now I see on the right corner this extension works and checks my page. Let's scroll down and we'll see which products will be marked as green, yellow, or red, and what does it mean in this website. Okay, this is red. The red on eBay means ship for free, excellent delivery time, 5 days at most. Customers do not recommend this product enough though, and return policy is poor. So it's marked as red. What means green here? It means also ships for free, excellent delivery time, 4 days at most, excellent return policy, and many customers highly recommended this product. Okay, so here's the same return policies for, and customers do not recommend this product. So that actually works for all products. I'm scrolling down and this extension I can see works and marks my product green or red. So we can see that every website has its own criteria, but basically it's about feedback, return policy, and reviews. So thank you so much for watching. I hope so this review was useful for you and you will make your own decision about this extension. I really like it and I will use it because I want to save my time and I want to feel protected during my online shopping. So thank you so much. Have a great day, have safe deals online, and subscribe to my channel.